So, stamp duty. This was probably, well, it was the biggest shock for our
Yeah,
industry that
absolutely.
came out of the budget. I didn't see anyone sort of predicting an increase in that.
There was no rhetoric about it at all, was there?
No,
It was not on the agenda, as they
no,
say.
but somehow
Yeah.
kept that one
Very quiet.
quiet. So just to explain to those of you that are wondering, what the stamp duty is and what it means. So for second home purchases, for buy-to-let investors like ourselves, UK buyers will now pay 5% stamp duty as opposed to the 3% previously on there as
Very
well.
much so. Very much so.
It is going to change next year as well for the first-time buyer market.
Yes,
as well.
it is. I think it was Theresa May created additional thresholds or extended the thresholds so that it became 250, 500. Labour have confirmed that they will not reduce those or extend that time period on the thresholds. So those thresholds will come down. So first-time buyers now will start to look outside of London, pay stamp duty at 125.
Which is really interesting because from a government point of view, it kind of contradicts itself because they're increasing stamp duty for buy-to-let investors with the hope that the more first-time buyers enter the market and
Yes.
put off some buy-to-let investors. But yet they're going to
Penalise
penalise first-time buyers come next year. So it's a little bit of can't make the mind up there. It feels like
Very much so. Mixed
with
messages.
and
I think because of that, we'll see fewer first-time buyers potentially initially coming into the marketplace, which will increase that demand on rental property.
which makes it more attractive then to
Absolutely.
have a buy-to-let.
Absolutely.
So what does this mean then? So that's what's going to happen to stamp duty. What does it mean for our industry, the buy-to-let industry in particular? Well, I think in the very short term, and we've already seen it ourselves, you will start to see developers, sellers, looking to either reduce prices or offer some sort of cashbacks, something to mitigate against those stamp duty increases and still attract buyers in there. Which opens up a lot of opportunities for clients.
I think we'll see, Mike, in a short period, those incentives that you've just spoken about coming out. But I think as human nature is such that the memory is a short-lived thing, and maybe come the spring of next year, this hike will be forgotten or mitigated, and those deals will go.
Yeah.
So I think if anyone is looking to buy, potentially now's the time to do it.
Yeah,
When
that's
those
it.
deals are out there.
Yeah, and you can negotiate a little bit, and it gives buyers a little bit of strength that way.
Absolutely.
So yeah, we don't expect it being a long-term thing that in terms of these types of little
No.
incentives. And as I say,
No, I
so
don't.
now maybe is the time to have a real good look at it.